Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to settings. After that you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Google Drive. After that in this page of app info you will enter to force stop, then we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.